Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio not working on your Discord account. So let's begin. First, go ahead and access your Discord application, right? And you need to go to settings. Click on this gear icon, user settings, and then you need to go on the section or the tab for voice and video. Now, you will have various options, but we only need to look into this. First, make sure you have the correct devices uh, used in here because sometimes it will actually affect, or this is the culprit if you're not going to double check. Next, make sure for microphone settings that this is on voice activity so you can always make sure that it is working. Okay. And pretty much that's it. This is the most culprit of all you need to look into because especially if you have more than one device, it might switch back and forth. So just make sure to set that specific device on default. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.